The ethnic minority support group helps minority groups such as asylum seekers, refugees. We provide a safe space for them to meet up and just enjoy social events without being culturally judged. Tsion does a lot of arts and crafts with young people. She's always at the table talking to people, encouraging everyone.
I really miss working with Tsion. She was the best. She just was like a big sister to me. When I came here, I was like a really introverted kid. She made me like feel really good about myself. She was a really great person and made me who I am today. She was really welcoming and trustworthy. I shared everything with her because she was really loyal and funny.
I think Tsion is an outstanding volunteer because she's always willing to help, she's always willing to learn. She's got a certain ability to make people feel safe. Kind of just made the environment a bit happier.
I enjoyed being a youth volunteer at EYST. Through the process, you build your confidence, you build your skills, you get to represent your country, you get to represent everything you know, and you get to learn from everybody. At EYST, we have different kinds of flags. We want to encourage everyone to represent their culture. They feel like they are valued. I think that's the greatest thing. You should go for your dreams. You can grow yourself and your skills and succeed in your life.